Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Wednesday the 2nd of July. Tomorrow's weather map shows the large, complex low pressure system still sitting off the east coast of New South Wales, attached to a low pressure trough as well. Now that system is expected to gradually start pulling away from the coast through the later part of Wednesday, but we will continue to see rain, wind and wave impacts for parts of New South Wales and eastern Victoria going through the course of tomorrow. We've issued another dedicated severe weather update video around that weather system in the east, so you can find all of the details around that severe weather in our other video. Elsewhere across Australia tomorrow, we are expecting a cold front to approach the west coast of the country, likely bringing some showers and coastal thunderstorms to parts of Western Australia through the later part of the day. Otherwise, it will be mostly cool and settled across the country tomorrow under the influence of this high pressure system sitting over the central parts of the continent. Let's take a state-by-state look at tomorrow's forecast now, starting with Queensland. Now, the chance of morning frost across those southern inland parts of Queensland tomorrow, less likely through the southeast. It'll be a dry and mostly sunny day, if not on the cooler side of things. For the southeast, we're expecting windy conditions to continue, particularly about those elevated areas, with warnings still in place. Brisbane is expecting a sunny, windy top of 19 degrees tomorrow. For New South Wales tomorrow, rain areas, large waves, strong to damaging winds and flooding all continue across much of the east coast, with the focus of the weather shifting towards the south, easing back across those central and northern parts of the coast. Again, you can find the details of that weather system in our severe weather update video from a little bit earlier today. Across the inland parts of the state, we are looking at the chance of morning frost in the far west, then a dry and mostly sunny day away from the ranges. For Sydney tomorrow, we are heading for a showery day, still windy at times and a top of 18 degrees. Down in Canberra, it'll be a rainy top of 13 degrees. The chance of morning fog or frost across western parts of Victoria tomorrow morning. Then we're looking at mostly sunny conditions in the far northwest, tending partly to mostly cloudy elsewhere across the state. A few showers moving through as well, much more widespread through the southeast, through Gippsland, with the risk of heavy falls and flooding through parts of East Gippsland. For Melbourne though, we're looking at a shower or two and a top of 14 degrees. The chance of morning fog and frost across parts of Tasmania tomorrow, with a partly cloudy day following and a few showers moving through as well. Those showers are going to be most frequent across the northeastern parts of the state. It'll be a bit drier on the west coast. For Hobart tomorrow, we are heading for a possible shower or two and a top of 12 degrees. In South Australia tomorrow, the chance of morning fog through the southeast, including eastern parts of the Eyre Peninsula. The chance of morning frost across some inland areas as well, with some cool temperatures on the way. Otherwise, we're looking at a partly cloudy day through the south, mostly sunny in the north. For Adelaide, it should be a partly cloudy to mostly sunny day and a top of 14 degrees. Across Western Australia tomorrow, the chance of morning frost across the southern interior. Then we're looking at partly cloudy skies across much of the southwest land division and southern parts of the state. We'll see a few patchy showers through the morning across the southwest land division, becoming more frequent through the afternoon and evening as this cold front approaches. We may see a few gusty winds about the coast as well as some coastal thunderstorms later in the day. This front is expected to move across the southwestern parts of the state overnight tomorrow night into Thursday morning. Perth is expecting to see showers increasing during the day with a top of 22 degrees on the way. For more northern parts of Western Australia, it should be sunny and mostly settled tomorrow. Across the Northern Territory, we are looking at the chance of morning frost across those southern parts of the territory. It'll be a cool, dry and mostly sunny day elsewhere for tomorrow, with some slightly fresher winds through those central parts. For Darwin, we are heading for a sunny top of 30 degrees tomorrow. Now you can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website, the Bomb Weather app and via our social media. Have a great day and we'll catch you next time.